try and ponder to yourself how majestic the universe is and what kind of mysteries lie beneath it. Today we're going to be exploring Earth and beyond. Now, when one thinks of Leonardo da Vinci, the first thing that will probably come to your mind is the Mona Lisa or the Last Supper. But we all know that he's so much more than that. This world-renowned artist had deep respect for nature, astronomical as well as geographical forms of the Earth. In the 16th century, Leonardo da Vinci discovered something called the ashen glow. I know it sounds fancy, but this is what we know today as the earthshine. What exactly is earthshine? It is the reflection of the sunlight that is being reflected from the Earth's clouds and its surface. Something that was discovered almost 500 years ago, but still find it very amusing till this very day. He developed significant knowledge when it comes to mechanical flights. He was very interested in the functions and forms of birds, and he even studied the anatomical structure of it and incorporated the key features to the design of his flight machines. Way before the 16th century, people of the past believed in a theory called geocentrism. Geo, translating from the Greek word which means earth, suggesting that the earth was the center of the universe. For over 1500 years, people believed in this theory until in the 1500s, a Polish philosopher, Nicholas Copernicus, came out with a theory called heliocentrism. Helio translates from the Greek word which means sun, suggesting that the sun was the center of the universe. Right before his death in 1543, Nicholas Copernicus published one of the most prominent books that ever existed in the history. This is titled On the Revolutions of the Heavenly Spheres, suggesting that the Earth was moving along the heavens together with the rest of the planets and that the Sun was the center of the universe. This was further made evident by other distinguished astronomers like Galileo Galilei, who discovered Jupiter's moons, as well as Johannes Kepler. One of the most fascinating inventions of today would be the hot air balloon, back in the late 1700s by the Montgolfier brothers. The first one was only made out of paper and silk, and the first ascent was done in 1783 back in France. Being witnessed by so many people, this revolution sparked curiosity in many, making them wonder what the world would look like from a vertical perspective. And until today, many historians believe that space exploration was prompted by this invention. Fast forward to 1800s, a self-taught man, Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, developed great curiosity in Jules Verne's fictional novels like Around the World in 80 Days or Journey to the Center of the Earth. And that's when Konstantin began to contemplate the possibility of space travel. Having invented different mathematical and aviation formulae, including the minimal speed needed to orbit around the Earth, Konstantin Tsiolkovsky remains as one of the founding fathers of rocket science and aeronautics. He's also the brain behind the liquid rocket engines and the multi-stage rockets which were used in Saturn V. Saturn V is the most powerful rocket that ever flown successfully, standing at a height of 111 meters, which means Saturn V is twice the size of Art Science Museum. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's episode of our virtual tour. We hope you enjoy it, and like what Leonardo da Vinci says, learning never exhausts the mind. See you on our next one. Bye!